Hello guys, welcome to Country Legend. In this video, my friend's DJI Neo has lost control. So it was a normal flight, I was flying my drone, he was flying his drone, and when the battery was low on the DJI Neo, the drone lost control and it started going forward. And I think the reason is because the controller had a little bit of water damage, and that water damage caused short circuit in the controller. And of course, when there's short circuit, it probably gave a signal to the drone to carry on going ahead, and I think that's exactly what happened. So yeah, it was a nice sunny flight. I was flying my drone. The link of that footage will be in the description. He wasn't pressing forward on the controller. He was letting it land. I made another video description of showing what happened after water has spilled on the drone and the rest of the components of the drone. Although he tested the drone properly and it worked fine, turned out the controller has been water damaged, and that's what caused it to lose control. So as you can see, the drone carried on going forward and there was no way to stop it. There was no way to stop it from crashing into that wall. But luckily it landed on a bunch of leaves, otherwise it would have been a hard crash. But luckily it didn't hit anything. It could have easily landed on the roof, as you can see, or it could have hit anything else. The problem is because since the water damage, the drone's controller wasn't tested properly. That's probably what caused this. So if your drone or your controller does get water damage, then please test it in an open field where there is nothing to hit. Otherwise, your drone can lose control and hit anything, and it could be a risk. And if there's sign of the drone playing up, then don't fly out. Get it repaired or checked out, or send it to DJI to repair. So anyway, the drone was retrieved and we tested it, and the drone did take off fine and the gimbal was alright. So anyway, I'm going to wrap up this video now. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you soon.